Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media.
Salibonani, linjani, murikaboto, makadiko. I'll try to use different languages to the best of my ability to communicate with you using this platform. I'm going to try to do this as regularly, as often as possible. Ngizazama ukukhuluma ngendimi zonke zeZimbabwe. All the languages in Zimbabwe. IsiNdebele, Tonga, Kalanga, Sutu, all the languages we have, Shangani, yes, to try and communicate. Ndau, yes. So thank you very much for the very important messages that you have sent me, messages of love, messages of exhortation, encouragement. Those messages have really been the wings to my sail, and I fly because of those energizing messages. I'm so grateful. The prayers that you send me, gifts of prayers, gifts of encouragement, gifts of support, gifts of solidarity, gifts of wisdom, wise counsel, wits, gifts of even just advice. I receive the gifts so humbly and gracefully. Thank you very much. I'm 48. Of course, 48 is not a joke. I'm just 2 floors away from the 50th floor. So I'm almost 2 years from the 50th floor. And it's a great thing. I'm so grateful. I will use also this platform to just correct a couple of things that I see, being said. But thank you. God bless you. And as I always say, God is in it. Our love is important. Our family unity as Zimbabweans is important, to be polite to each other and to one another. I love it. So I'll use this platform more often. I've never used it more often in terms of voice. So I'll be doing voice here to communicate with you, to also encourage you in everything, especially clarifying certain things. Ndakaona musuno hama dzangu dzichiti vachamisa vati hakuna bumbiro, saka hakuna bumbiro munyika, vari kuti hamuna bumbiro here. Kutaura kweuchenjeri, kweudzamu, zvakafanira kuti kati apa hapana nezvababa, kana kuti apa hapana nezvemunhu, hapana nezveamai, hapana nezvemukomana. Hausi kureva kuti munhu iye haapo, wakafa bodo. Unenge uchitaura kuti aripo, asi paunhu unotarisirwa nechimiro hapana nezviripo. Saka ndozvakafanana nemutauro uyo, mutauro wakadzama. Zvinotoona kuti vamwe vanenge vasina kudzama vanogona kuremerwa nekudzamirwa nazvo, kuti votadza kunzwisisa zvanzi chii. Aiwa, inzwai zvakanaka, pakanzi hapana nezviripo, kureva kuti chinhu ichocho hachitoripo paudzamu hunotarisirwa, kureva kuti chinofanira kuvapo. If you say that there is nothing, it means that something has to be there. So the fight is not to defend nothing, but to fight for something to be there, that we all agree to, that we all love. That is the better fight. That is where we must deploy our energies instead of defending what's collapsing, what's collapsed, what's fallen, what's not there. NgesiNdebele singathi akula mundu lapha. Akusho kuti umuntu wakhona ngakho ngephela. Sitsho ukuthi umuntu wakhona akafanelanga ukubizwa ngomuntu ngenxa yezenzo zakhe, isimo sakhe. Your conduct does not qualify for you to be called human or a man or a woman, because you have failed to meet the credentials. So if I say there is no constitution to talk about, it's a figure of speech to say that the constitution might be there nominally on paper, but in practice, it's not there. Practically, it's not being respected. So we must have a proper constitution that is written by the people, for the people, from the people. That is the bigger fight, and that is the fight we must have. I thank you. I will continue to come to you saying a couple of things, different things. I'll also clarify a lot of things. I've been quiet for the longest of time, almost 2 years. Lies have been fed into you. I will make sure that I clarify issues. I come with the correct position on different matters from time to time. May God bless you. I love you all.
For more stories, please do like and subscribe.